In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and open a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. There are two types of pictures you can insert into your presentation. One is a picture that you have on your computer, downloaded or stored, and the other one is a picture that is on the internet. Let's see the downloaded one first. Go to Insert, then Pictures. In the drop-down menu, click on This Device. Now select your picture. Now let's see another way to insert pictures from your computer. In the menu bar, click on New Slide. From the drop-down menu, click on the Title and Content option. Here you can see some icons. These are called placeholders. If you click on this picture with computer icon, this will take you to your computer drive. Now you can just select any picture from here, and it will be added to the slide. This is generally used when you need captions or paragraphs with the picture. Now let's see the online pictures. Go to Insert, then Pictures, just like before. In the drop-down, you can see that there are two other options available here. One is Stock Image, and the other one is Online Image. Let's see the stock image first. In the stock image section, you will find many pictures and you can search for them also. Just select the image of your liking and click on Insert. But there are some limitations in this section. Sometimes you may not find the perfect image you are searching for. There is another way to insert images from the internet. In the Pictures menu, click on Online Pictures. Here you can see a bunch of categories are available. You can search for your preferred image also. Let's search for cars, for example. Now select a picture of your liking and click on Insert. Remember that while using online images, you should look out for copyright restrictions. Otherwise, you may be in trouble later.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.